Look who it is. It's the man himself. Hello guys, New Apple Times here, welcome to a new video, and today we're here in the 5th Avenue Apple Store because today is Vision Pro launch day and we're gonna be picking it up. I actually have my appointment in the afternoon, so I don't know if I'll be able to pick it up early, but it's actually 7:15 in the morning, so it's 45 minutes to go until the Apple Store opens and everyone can go in and pick up their Vision Pros, and we're gonna see how everything is. So as you will see, they already put this Vision Pro silhouette around in the Apple Store, and they also made a lot of changes underneath. There's a lot of people actually, it's at least 100 people I would say waiting. So yeah, we're gonna go around, talk to some people and then eventually go in and we'll see. Okay, so we're here on the side of the Apple Store as you can see, so we were there before, and now you can see that these are windows looking down, and from this one you can see that the Vision Pros are already placed in. That is nice. So it's a rainy day today actually. That's why it's like this. Hopefully I can get it to focus on what is at the bottom. There we go. That's nice. So yeah, I can't wait to try. Apparently there's a few lines. We were supposed to wait on this one. That's right here. And then I guess this is for people who have the reservation for now. And that one is for people who want to try the experience. But yeah, we're waiting this one, it's still half an hour to go. There's a lot of media in there, some famous faces you will probably recognize, so we'll see if we can get to talk to some of them. And we'll be right back. That's the first guy. Here it comes, I think, the first person who got the Vision Pro. We will see him shortly. Here it is. That's the first guy who got them. Enjoying his moment. With the Apple Vision Pro. We have them here are the Apple Vision Pro. I don't want to look at them too much because I'm of course picking mine up later today, but yeah, they're exciting. I kind of expected them to be bigger once I had seen all the videos and stuff, but yeah, the battery is huge though. Like, the battery is insanely big. It looks smaller in the pictures. But yeah, we've been around, we took our picture with Tim Cook. Actually, it's a funny story. I'll tell you more about it later. Also with Joswiak, he's also here. Yeah, super exciting day. I will never forget this day actually. And we of course have the famous accessories, the case which I actually bought, so you'll be seeing an unboxing of that shortly, and the Belkin holder for the battery. I might buy it as well because actually the battery is huge. Like I don't think it will even fit in most pockets anyways. But yeah, these are the famous two accessories which are placed here among other accessories, but of course in the Vision Pro area. Also, Apple just set up all this area here just for people to try them out with like couches and the infamous cabinets here to store all the light shields and size lenses and everything. But yeah, they really took like easily 1/4 of the store just for this type of couches and stuff. And yeah, a lot of people still, and it's already 9:30, so yeah. Okay, so now everything has calmed down a little bit. We have bought the travel case, which is here. I will be, of course, doing a video on this, unboxing it, a video. I haven't opened it yet. I thought it would come in a box, but it doesn't. But yeah, this is the travel case. We're picking up the Vision Pro later today. I still have to wait like 12 hours for it, which is going to be a long wait. I didn't want to look at it much just to not spoil myself. I will, of course, be filming my reaction and unboxing and everything later today. But yeah, super exciting day. We got to meet Tim Cook actually, which was insane. We were waiting to take a picture with him. There was a big line, and just as he was about to leave, I told him like, hey, we come from all the way from Spain, and he stopped right in what he was doing. He looked at us, he started chatting with us, he asked us where we were coming from. Super excited, like he's a very nice guy. We also talked to Joswiak, very nice guy as well. He was, of course, he's the VP of marketing, so like all the show we just witnessed was his creation. And he was very pleased to know that we liked it and we enjoyed it. So yeah, very exciting day. We also met other few fellow Spaniards, so you know Nikias or some guys from some Spanish Apple blog. Of course, this video is not over. We will be coming back later today to pick up the Apple Vision Pro. So let's jump to that.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Okay, so after some sightseeing on New York, we're back. It's now 8:15 approximately, so I have my appointment in about 15 minutes, and it's time to get the Apple Vision Pro. I'm so excited. I'm actually really excited because I haven't tried it out. I haven't looked at it too much, so yeah, super exciting. Yeah, without further ado, let's go.
1 hour later.
Okay, so here it is. I have my Vision Pro now. So exciting. This is actually a heavy bag. I did the demo inside. You'll see some footage of it. I didn't open it inside though, but we'll go to the hotel and open it because I can't wait to open it and try it out. But the demo was insane. Like if you have the opportunity, definitely go to an Apple store, do the demo, because it was just crazy. But yeah, enough of the Apple store for today. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? But yeah, that's gonna be everything. We're going to the hotel and open it up. Okay, so I'm back in the hotel now. It's been a super exciting day. Really fun. Got my Vision Pro. Got to meet Tim Cook and many other people. Had so much fun at the Apple Store. Yeah, it was a very good day. I was gonna include the unboxing as part of this video, but I figured it would be better to just have this as a vlog, and then I'll do the unboxing on a separate video. Now they will be both releasing at the same time, so it is now available. You can watch it here or here somewhere. Now I just wanted to thank you for arriving this far if you made it this long in the video. Yeah, please thumbs up if you like the video. I really made this video with all my love. Yeah, if you were there, hopefully you will be able to find yourself. And if not, at least I hope this is, you can keep this video as a good memory of that day, because hopefully you had at least half as much fun as I did. So yeah, as I said, Apple Vision Pro unboxing is now uploaded as well. You can watch it, and way more Apple Vision Pro content will be coming out in the next few days. So definitely subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Also, you can follow me on Twitter or whatever it's called now, because I'm really active there lately, telling my raw thoughts on the Apple Vision Pro as I test them. Of course, what you see here is a summarized version that I do later, but my raw thoughts as I have them, as they happen, are going on Twitter. So definitely follow me there. And then also on Instagram you can see some more behind the scenes and some other content that I post on there as well. So definitely follow me there too. But yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.